Hi, this is Khan. Today I am telling about Instagram. What is Instagram? Instagram is a photo sharing app which allows users to assign filters to photos and share them with followers. What is the main purpose of Instagram? Instagram is a social media app that allows users to share photos and videos from their lives, add captions, edit filters, tweak settings, engage with others, explore and creep, and so much more. You just have to know what you are doing so you don't get overwhelmed. Who can see your photos on Instagram? By default, anyone can see your photos, your profile, and post on Instagram. You can make your account private so that only followers you approve can see what you share. If your account is set to private, only your approved followers will see your photos or videos on hashtag or location pages. Instagram better than Facebook? Instagram is faster in speed for fetching content as compared to Facebook. The main benefit due to which Instagram step higher than the Facebook is because it is more secure and personal. Everyone has their personal accounts and they can allow only those whom they know to follow each other. Can Instagram be dangerous? Though there is nothing inherently dangerous about Instagram, the main things parents worry about are typical of all social media: mean behavior among peers, inappropriate photos or videos that can hurt a teen's reputation or attract wrong kind of attention, overuse, and of course privacy. What should you do? What should you not to do on Instagram? Here are the 14 things not to do on Instagram. Don't use any awkward username on Instagram. Don't set your profile to private. Don't be a lurker. Post regularly. Don't post without a caption. Don't overuse or misuse hashtag. Don't ignore your followers' comments. Don't steal others other Instagram users' content. Don't use images from Google searches. Don't overdo the selfies. Don't crowd your posts back to back. Don't auto share every Instagram post to Facebook and Twitter. Don't follow everyone that follows you. Don't follow someone only to unfollow them later to grow your fan base. Don't buy Instagram followers. Why do people like Instagram? It is like a simplified version of Facebook with an emphasis on mobile use and visual sharing. Just like other social networks, you can interact with other users on Instagram by following them, being followed by them, commenting, liking, tagging, and private messaging. You can even save the photos you see on Instagram. What are benefits of Instagram? 7 benefit of Instagram brands, businesses or first, more businesses and consumers are joining every day. Second, easy to target and retarget your audience, understanding your demographics. Third, use all the visual marketing features on Instagram. Fourth, engage with customers where they spend their time. Fifth, build up user generated content. Sixth, reveal in depth insight about your audience. 7. Constantly updated marketing features with an ad in stories. Is it safe to let strangers follow you on Instagram? So to answer this question, letting strangers follow you is safe if you are fine with your images being viewed and sometimes copied by anyone on Instagram. Instagram doesn't let people to download your picture, but many other apps let them to do it. Should you post on Instagram every day? How often should you post? Aim to post on Instagram between 1 to 3 times per day. Major brand post on average of 1.5 times per day. So if you aim to follow the same rule, you should do well. While this is a general rule to follow, it may not work best for you. Who uses Instagram the most? Over 60 of users, over 60% of users log in daily, making it second most engaged network after Facebook. The biggest demographic group are male between 18 to 24 years old, while 75% of all users are aged between 18 and 24. 37% of US internet users are now on Instagram. 90% of Instagram users are younger than 35 years old. Can you make money on Instagram? Depending on your unique brand of Instagram content, your audience, and your level of commitment, you can make money on Instagram in the following ways: doing sponsored posts for brands that want to get in front of your audience, becoming an affiliate, and making a commission selling other brands' products. Thank you for watching our channel. Friends, subscribe YouTube channel for more informative videos about social media. Thank you.